Where's the killer?
It's there?
No, you put it in your bag yesterday. You told me.
I remember I put it there, love. In the key area. But I have spare here. I'll find it later. I never been hurry like this in my own date.
We're gonna take a picture of us.
Of us.
So,
And we never had a movie date together, love. I'm in a hurry because good morning! May sobrang excited dito.
But you're probably gonna make it awkward because it's when
Don't worry, I'm not gonna take a video when she's here. Just now. Because I want them to know that you're bumivega ka na. Ay nako, this is following my face so it won't see you. I will do like this so that it follows you. Machi-machi kami ng jackets. Look at that. Alam nyo ba guys na hindi ako nagmamadali ng ganito sa own date ko. But now I'm so like in a hurry. Like literally in a hurry. Because of our kuya here. Our kuya is pumapag-ibig na. Wow, pumapag-ibig na yarn. Actually, we're going to the girl's house. To her house. We're gonna pick her up. Okay guys, so we're gonna chisme later,
talk to
okay?
their mama.
I begin to
How's the movie, love? You like it? It's our first movie date, guys. So actually, kanina pa kami dumating. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-update ng vlog kasi nag-TikTok ako kanina. Ang dami kong na-upload sa TikTok, mga siguro 4 yun. So actually, wala naman kaming masyadong naganap-ganap kanina. After namin manood ng movie, pumunta kami ng Mickey D's, kumain kami, nag-take out pala kami ng pagkain. Then dito na kami kumain sa bahay. Hinatid namin yung girl and after that, yeah, umuwi na kami dito sa bahay. So, oh my gosh. I'm so surprised kasi, alam mo yun, I can't believe na big boy na si kuya namin. Oh my gosh, parang kailan lang, he's a little baby, he's a little boy. And ngayon, pumapag-ibig na si kuya namin dahil. Oh my gosh, ang hirap. Hirap na magkita. And imagine ha, I can't believe na nag-double date kami ng anak ko. Feels so weird. So, yun guys, yun lang yung, ang gulo ng room namin. So, yun lang yung ganap for today. And yeah, I think I'm gonna continue this vlog tomorrow. Kasi ang ikli lang ng video na to. So yeah, I'm gonna continue this vlog tomorrow. So see you tomorrow, guys. Bye. It's a prank. Ito na talaga, promise. Good morning. Hi guys, good morning. We're going to find breakfast because Spanish bread is hungry. Looks like a vagabundo. American flag on the road. Ang cute. So we are here in Zona VIP. So bibili lang kami ng breakfast. So I'm just waiting here. Antok na antok pa talaga ako dahil kasi kahapon nga, 'di ba, nag-inarte ang Disney Princess. So bumili siya ng chicken wings, garlic chicken wings, and binilhan niya ako ng potato skin. Alam niyo naman dahil na allergy yung Disney Princess ng manok. So allergy ako ng manok, 'di ba? Kasi ngayon kain ng manok, alam ng allergy. So nangati ako, uminom ako ng Benadryl, antihistamine 'yun, 'di ba? So pagod na pagod ang katawang lupa ko ngayon, as in. Pag-uwi niya ng bahay kanina, Antok na antok ako, as in, hindi ako makatayo sa antok. Kasi nang aga ng call appointment ko. So yun, nagising ang katawang lupa ko dahil kasi yung call ko almost 45 minutes sa health insurance ko. So 45 minutes yun. And yeah, I'm approved and finally I have my health insurance now. Oh my gosh, kagigising ko lang. And antok na antok ako kanina, 'di ba? So nakatulog ako. And then after that, galit na galit si Spanish Breday. Kumain siyang mag-isa. And natulog siya nang hindi nakahag sa akin. As in, grabe, dead na dead yung katawang lupa ko kanina dahil. As in, iniwan niya yung food ko sa table. Ang lamig-lamig na. And then, yung shake na in-order niya kanina, na gustong gusto ko, iniwan niya sa table. Hindi niya nilagay sa fridge. So, ano nangyari? As in, nilagay ko sa fridge, pero tingnan natin. Ayan. Ewan ko kung masarap pa to, dahil. Katatapos lang naming mag-grocery sa Sam's, and now we are going to the Asian store to buy some other stuff na hindi namin nabili dun sa Sam's. Yes. Thank you. Let's try this one. Hi guys, we are home. Wait lang. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga pinamili namin. Ang dami ko pang gagawin and ang dami ko pang ililigpit. Ito yung mga pinamili namin, guys. Alam nyo ba na may nakita akong saba? Yan. Kasi gusto kong magsabaw, tapos lagyan ko ng saba. Sarap. And then, bumili kami ng hotdog. Ano pa nga ba? May paborito ni Dudong, ground pork. Uy, ang mura lang ito. Nabili namin sa Asian store. Meron pa pala akong nabiling quails. Ito, ang saya ko. Ang saya ko kasi nakita ko to. Favorite ko kasi yung tonkotsu na ramen. May nakita ako. I don't know if masarap to. Ay, hindi ko pa ito natikman. So, I don't know if masarap yan. And this one. May nakapagsabi na masarap daw to. Of course, this one. O, diba? Ramen is life. Hili-hili ko talaga sa ramen. So, yan lang. Yan na yung nabili namin. Tapos, yung tubig pala. And, yung chicken, ang mura lang ng chicken na nabili namin today. $5 lang siya, tas ang dami niyang drumstick. So, I guess that's it for today because tatapusin ko pa to lahat-lahat. Magluluto pa ako later. And, yeah, mag-charge pa ako ng camera na to. Kaya, ito-turn off ko muna kayo. So, I guess that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you again for watching and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye! Please subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you again for watching. I hope to see you on my next video.